In today's video, I'm going to teach you how entrepreneurs are making millions with Lovable AI. As you may know, AI technology is rapidly advancing, providing incredible opportunities for innovation across various industries. Today, we're focusing on how AI, specifically a platform called Lovable, is being used as a powerful tool by entrepreneurs worldwide. To get us started, let's dive into Lovable. Lovable is a Swedish AI platform known for its unique approach termed vibe coding. Essentially, this platform allows users to harness the power of AI in a way that resonates with their vision and brand, creating a personalized experience. It's an intuitive tool designed to be accessible even to those who don't have a deep technical background. Entrepreneurs can use Lovable to automate processes, enhance customer engagement, and create innovative products that stand out in the market. Now, let's talk about how solopreneurs and small teams are leveraging this technology to generate real revenue. One of the key advantages of working with AI and Lovable in particular is the ability to operate efficiently with minimal resources. This means you don't need a large team to make an impact. Many entrepreneurs have tapped into Lovable to streamline their operations and amplify their reach to customers. Whether it's through automating marketing campaigns, enhancing customer service through chatbots, or developing AI-driven products, the platform provides the tools necessary to scale businesses effectively. These solopreneurs and small teams often have the flexibility to pivot and adapt quickly, a critical advantage in the fast-paced world of business today. With AI's help, they can tackle problems creatively and implement solutions faster than traditional routes would allow. Imagine automating your customer service with AI-driven responses or creating an app that predicts user preferences. It opens a world of possibilities that were not so easily attainable before. Let's take a step back and look at the broader trend. AI as a catalyst for entrepreneurial wealth. Across industries, AI is being heralded as a transformational force, altering the landscape of how businesses operate and thrive. By integrating AI like Lovable into their strategies, entrepreneurs and small business owners can harness data like never before, driving decisions with precision and foresight. This enables them to create offerings that are not only efficient, but also deeply aligned with what customers actually want and need. In essence, AI serves as a bridge between innovation and execution, allowing businesses to dream big while staying grounded in practicality. As more entrepreneurs adopt AI technologies, we're going to see an industry-wide shift towards smarter, more intuitive business practices. Lovable, with its personalized approach to AI, empowers entrepreneurs to craft unique experiences and offerings, setting the stage for substantial growth and success in the ever-competitive marketplace. In conclusion, the fusion of AI with entrepreneurial ambition has the potential to generate wealth in unprecedented ways. By understanding and utilizing platforms like Lovable, entrepreneurs are not just participants in the AI revolution, they're pioneers charting the future of business innovation.